Mr. Duffy, I just wanted to show you what a good move it was that we're rebuilding your water pump. This bearing was just absolutely full of rust right here, and this is your mechanical seal that keeps water from getting to the bearing. The bearing sets in here, and there are weep holes. And you may have noticed that water was coming out of one of these weep holes, and the sealing surface is right here. This graphite piece right here runs against this surface right here, and that's what keeps the water from getting to the bearing. It's what keeps the water inside the pump and not making it to the bearing. So the fact that the bearing's all rusted, chances are that that water was getting over to the bearing. And if you notice water coming out of the weep hole, then that would tell you for sure that the seal was bad. Of course, when we have to change the bearing, we got to take it all apart. The seal has to be replaced anyway. So it's what's called a minor rebuild of the pump, and just want to let you know where that stands. Thank you.